Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into the world of luxurious loungewear with the Ekouaer women's silk robe set. If you're in search of the best nightgown and robe sets for women, you've come to the right place. This exquisite set is a true gem in the realm of nighttime elegance. Crafted from a blend of 95% polyester and 5% spandex, the Ekouaer silk robe set offers a heavenly combination of softness, lightweight comfort, and a touch of stretch for the perfect fit. Let's talk design. Picture this: a sultry V neckline, 3/4 length sleeves adorned with delicate ruffles, and a detachable belt for a customizable cinch at the waist. Not to mention the convenient side pockets, because who doesn't love a robe with pockets? But wait, there's more. This isn't just any old robe set. It's a versatile two-piece ensemble, featuring both a silk kimono and a spaghetti strap nightgown. Whether you're lounging at home or strutting your stuff at a bridal shower or honeymoon, this set has you covered in style. Imagine slipping into this silky ensemble after a long day, feeling like royalty as you unwind in comfort. And don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the luxurious feel and flattering fit of the Ekouaer silk robe set. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: quality. Ekouaer doesn't cut corners when it comes to craftsmanship. This robe set exudes luxury without the hefty price tag, making it a must-have addition to any woman's wardrobe. So, if you're ready to elevate your loungewear game and experience the epitome of comfort and style, look no further than the Ekouaer women's silk robe set. Trust me, your evenings will never be the same. That's a wrap for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques and recommendations. Until next time, stay stylish and sleep soundly with Ekouaer. This is Product Critique, signing off.